Hello friends, you are watching Streaming Live Now. In today's video I will tell you about SEO. First question arises in the mind of lot of people that what is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It is the process of getting traffic from the free search results on search engines. Now let me tell with simple example here. There are a lot of website and blog exist all over the world. Every website or blog will be related to something. Some websites sell something. Some blog related to some institution or business, and some may deal in other thing like that. Every website or blog include content with that help Google knows which website related to what. When we search something on Google, then it shows you related website or blog of your search result. Now let me tell you with one video example. You can see here I am on Firefox browser. First of all I will open Google search engine so that I can search something. Now search anything you want like SEO courses in USA. You can see here there are a lot of search result come. Top results are the Google Map result. We will not talk about it now. After top Google Map result you can below there are lots of websites result. If you look over these websites you can see that all websites containing SEO courses related material as you want, and this content helps Google to know which type of website to show to their audience. But now question arises how Google will rate website. Because there are thousands of website exists in the world related to every topic. Google rank website or blog according to SEO. If any website is optimizing perfectly then Google will show it on top position, and therefore according to the search engine optimization Google rank website and display in the search result. Now I have told you what is SEO and how it is beneficial for website and blog. If you can to do SEO is the effective way you have consider following of the points. First point is hosting. Second point is designing of website or blog. On third point content come. Fourth is very important point which is on page SEO. On page SEO include meta tags, internal linking and keyword related thing. Fifth point is also very important to consider which is off page SEO. Off-page SEO include directory submission, article submission, forms posting, social media marketing, link building and press release submission. Now we will discuss each one of the point one by one. The first step in building your online presence is finding a good web hosting. Web hosting will store your website's files on its servers and deliver them to your readers and customers' browsers. Your web hosting should be reliable, SEO friendly, fast, and scalable. A good website hosting will allow Google crawl it effectively. After web hosting we have to consider about website or blog designing. A SEO friendly and lightweight pages help to open pages effectively. We have to consider many things designing section, like layout, uses of CSS, JavaScript and many more. Third point is very important for good SEO, and that is content. Yes, content is king for good SEO. Within your website you need to know exactly what the purpose of the content and what you are writing is. You also need to decide exactly who your audience is that you are writing for. Our strategy is to create amazing content that fills the needs of this group, so that we can establish myself as an authority in the SEO space. Fourth point is on-page SEO. On-page SEO is the practice of optimizing individual web pages in order to rank higher and earn more relevant traffic in search engines. On-page refers to both the content and HTML source code of a page that can be optimized. There are a lot of things included in on-page SEO. Let's discuss it one by one. Meta tags are snippets of text that describe a page's content. The meta tags don't appear on the page itself, but only in the page's code. Meta tags only exist in HTML, usually at the head of the page, and so are only visible to search engines. Internal links are links that go from one page on a domain to a different page on the same domain. They are commonly used in main navigation. Internal links are most useful for establishing site architecture and spreading link juice. For this reason, this section is about building an SEO-friendly site architecture with internal links. Keyword research is the practice of identifying which phrases are used on search engines when people are looking for information. Keyword placement means embed selected SEO keywords at places where search engines pay more attention to when examining web page contents. Now let's come of our next point, which is off-page SEO. Unlike on-page SEO, off-page SEO refers to activities you can perform outside the boundaries of your website. First step in off-page is directory submission. Directory submission is purely based on how effectively we are selecting those directories and how efficiently we are choosing the category for submission. You could submit to general directories, but for maximum effect, you are better off submitting to niche directories. Of course, I agree that it gives quite delayed results, but it is worth doing it. Second important part for off-page SEO is article submission. By publishing your articles in article directories, you could get a link back to your website. If you write your articles yourself, then you can submit them to popular article directory sites like eZine, Go Articles, Now Public, etc. This can help drive traffic to your site, whilst you can also gain some links to your site from other people. Next point is forum posting. Find forums online that are related to your site's niche and get involved within that community. Reply to threads, answer people's questions, offer advice, etc. This all helps to build up your reputation as someone who is an expert within that niche. Fourth point is social media marketing. It is another great way of promoting your website. Submit your latest blog posts and pages to the most popular bookmarking sites, like StumbleUpon, Dig, Delicious, Reddit, etc. Search engines really like these types of sites because the content on these sites is updated very frequently. You should be very careful while doing this, and you must properly handle the tags, which are very essential to broadcast your news on a wide area network. This may increase your website traffic based on how effectively you have participated. Now let me tell you one important part of SEO, which is link building. Link building refers to the process of getting external pages to link to a page on your website. It is one of the many tactics used in search engine optimization. Last but not least, sixth point is press release submission. The concept behind press releases is that they should be used to share newsworthy content with interested parties. It enables your website to communicate changes, events and news relating to your company. Writing your press release for SEO means that search engine spiders can find and rank your site with ease. Your website will benefit from having a press release for SEO. This is all about summary of SEO. For more videos related to SEO and other things, please subscribe to our channel.